Have you ever experienced going home late and you were thirsty? And when you were about to drink your water, you just found out that your dispenser is empty. You cannot call anyone and your supplier because it's late at night.
The usual problem in a household with busy people is that they are not able to monitor their drinking water at their dispenser. And because of that, they become annoyed because they have to insert in their busy schedule that they have to contact their supplier. What if they got home late at night because of their busy schedule and they find out that they forgot to buy refill, all the water refilling stations are closed. They had to wait till morning to order from the supplier. Let us introduce our product, the Smart Water Dispenser, as product by Milestones Incorporated. The Smart Water Dispenser is an example of an IoT application.
Internet of Things represents a general concept for the ability of network devices to sense and collect data from the world around us, and then share that data across the internet, where it can be processed and utilized for various interesting purposes. The Smart Water Dispenser will now be the one to notify the owner in their Gmail, Twitter, and especially in their smartphones. For more info, call 000-000.
Hello, is this the Milestone Incorporated? Okay. I want to order one of this product right now because I'm thirsty.